randomly selected by Honorable De Lima from Annex A is confirmed by the AMLC, at least that similar transactions appear in their report. Are there any other subject of confirmations? No more.
Marami po kasi ito. That's why I just randomly selected 5 from each of the annexes.
So in total, how many transactions have been confirmed?
So 18.
Do you confirm that? Total of 18 transactions?
We informed earlier that there are 18 transactions mentioned that
Okay.
that one we mentioned are existing in our report.
So
based on
for
our
the
report.
record, 18.
All of this culminating into the supposed conclusion that Sara Duterte did not declare the right SALN. Kumbaga, yung cash on hand mo, bakit hindi nakalagay dito na meron kang pera within any of those time frames? Hindi mo dineklara ng tama yung SALN o net worth mo bilang isa sa mga grounds ng impeachment complaints, which is of course the public trust betrayal and maybe even other actual crimes. Pero ang sasabihin mo itong mga bagay naman to, hindi naman kailangan eksaktong-eksakto yung laman ng SALN o net worth mo. Talagang meron kang makakaligtaan kahit na public official ka ng matagal na. But this is not peanuts. This is millions to billions of pesos. So talagang maiisip mo na this is willful reduction. This is willful exclusion ng SALN mo because these are suspicious transactions. Because these will raise some eyebrows. Apparently, wala lang talagang ginawa yung AMLC or at the very least, wala man lang silang sinabi or raised flags regarding these transactions sa publiko. Pero I now hear a lot of detractions na may butas daw dahil yung BDO branch sa SM Lanang did not